Well, coming to Las Vegas next month is a collection of more than 50 vehicles from the Academy of Art University out in San Francisco. A world-class collection that is loaded, as you can see, with pre-war classics, JK.
Well, Scott, how about some of the brands like Stutz, Cadillac, Bugatti, Talbot, Lago, Auburn, Cord, Packard, Duesenberg, Pierce, Arrow, and Bentley. I think this is the best collection of pre-war and post-war classics, high-end classics we've ever seen. The university collection, we sold sort of a sampling of those cars at Monterey. They dipped their toe in the waters. It went so well. We've got a great group coming to Las Vegas. One of the main attractions at that great auction. Right,
and our coverage starts on November 15th. One of the coolest parts of that whole academy is that the students there get hands-on experience in design and the art of the automobile with cars just like what we saw.